Dr. Rajendra Jagdale is an eminent technocrat and a multifaceted, multi-talented personality. He is the Director General and CEO of the Science and Technology Park, a joint initiative of the Government of India and Savitribai Phule Pune University. He is a scientist, an academician, and a successful businessman, which is a rarity. Dr. Rajendra Jagdale is a highly felicitated person, and it would be a matter of great pleasure to listen to his insightful views. If you would like to watch more such quality videos, please subscribe to Vishwashanti Darshan, a channel dedicated to world peace. Please don't forget to press the bell icon.
When I was in Pune, there's one place I used to go and sit and listen to one bell which was used to go on for 45 minutes on one of the Shiva temples, and I had little addiction to do that. I went there. One day, two of us used to go. One day, one of my friends who used to join with me, we never used to speak to each other when together. He joined with me. He didn't come. One day he didn't come. So I was thinking about him. Slowly, after about 5-7 minutes, I couldn't hear the bell. After about 30-40 minutes, I could hear the bell. But when I did not hear the bell, in that time, I saw this fellow has gone on a bicycle to Hadapsar Bhaji market, and the bicycle was not his, because his bike is like a new, it was some different bicycle. I could see each and every vegetable he bought, the money he paid, the change he gave, rates he discussed, negotiated, everything. I went mad. I came down and I saw this fellow coming in front of me on the road. I stopped him. I said, his name is Nitin. Nitin, you went there. You do this. Remove everything. This is the rate. This is that. He said, you came with me hiding and you did not even tell me that you have come to Monday. Why I'm saying this, I can go on. When tsunami happened on 26th of December 2004, I was to go to Andaman. We had some project for NHPC. I went to Andaman, I went to Chennai to catch Andaman flight. But earlier day, I said, no, I should not go to Andaman. I am not comfortable. I went to Chennai. I had next flight and I returned to Pune. And next day there was tsunami. I can go on giving n number of such cases and experiences. What is this? I know each one of you get such experiences. Sometimes you feel that you must meet such a friend, and after a few minutes you'll find your friend comes home. It happens. It is a common experience of every individual. We don't explore ourselves within what we are. Because I feel, when you see, biologists will understand, if there's a process of synthesis of citric acid in a body, where there's a bacteria, redwoods, cats or dogs or elephants or humans, the sequence of genes manufacturing citric acid is similar. Am I not connected to bacteria, virus, redwoods, and cats and dogs? Can't I connect? There are people who connect. There are people who connect. So, my friends, my time is off. And please explore within, because what we feel, what we experience, what we do day-to-day life is a fraction of capacity nature has given you within. And please start this journey of exploration. Not money, not vehicles, not this. That's not the humans are born for. We are one of the 1 trillion possible species on this insignificant earth, and not born to say that we are the only species that have right to exist and we are the only intelligent species on this earth. It's not that. We are nature has designed us as an animal, very intelligent animal, and I personally feel let's not go into a retrogressive evolution, what we are doing now, instead of progressing, which can be only mental, physical, spiritual, and spiritual, but we are going material development, which is retrogressive evolution. Let's try to explore ourselves. Thank you.